Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the FastAPI. Today we are going to learn send SMS and the OTP verification Twilio FastAPI Python. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So let me open the Python first. So here we have the Python. Okay, let's open the terminal with this. Done. Now we will check. Let's close this. Okay, so let's comment the previous code and let's use the OTP verification section. Okay, so here we have the full-fledged code. Till OTP verified. Okay, copy and paste this. Right. Okay, let's do step by step. So first we have a fast API import, an HTTP exception. Dynamic, we are importing the base model. From the Twilio REST, we are importing the client, and import random will generate the random part. So first one, that is account SID token and the Twilio phone number. Let's go to our over here, the Twilio account. Let's go to the my first Twilio account. It's on the dashboard, I guess. So here you can see that the account SID. So just paste it. Then we have the auth token. Let's copy and paste it. Now we have the phone number. Let's copy and paste this. Okay, this part is done. Now moving to the next part, that is the client initialization with Twilio SID and the auth token. OTP storage replace with your own storage solution like the Redis database or something. Okay, so whenever you send the OTP, you can save into the database, then you can match it from here. Okay, this is also the process, but here I am using the OTP storage. Like, so you can replace with your database, because that's the main thing, because whenever we try to send the OTP, so it should be saved on the database, then we can compare with that one also. Okay, so model sending the OTP, that is, we got the phone number. Model send verifying the OTP, phone number and the OTP both required. Then we have a generate OTP. So we are generating the random OTP with the 4 digit. Okay, then send the OTP via SMS. So your OTP is, and the client message dot create to phone number, Twilio number, body and the message. Okay, after that we have a route to send the OTP. So OTP route for the we require the phone number, then generate the OTP will come here. It will give me the phone number OTP, that will be we are going to store in the OTP storage with the phone and the phone number. Okay, then send OTP function will call with phone and the phone number with OTP, and here we can see that send OTP is done. Okay, next we have verify the OTP. So here from the storage we get the, with the help of the phone number we retrieve the data. Okay, if it is not there in the stored OTP, then OTP not found. If it is in the stored OTP is not equal to what we are sending, then invalid OTP. If it is there in that OTP storage with the phone number is there, then we will send that the detailed OTP verified successfully. Okay, clear OTP after successful verification, that is optional, so you can clear out. Okay, so this is done. Let's go to the terminal and start our application. Okay, let's move to this. Already I think I have opened it, so let's go to the fast API. So here we have the send OTP. So here I'm going to just try it out with the phone number. So plus 9186996355. Let's have a look. Execute. Internal server error. Let's have a look what exactly we have missed. Phone number issue. Let me just update the another number. That might be wrong. Okay, let's try to execute this. OTP sent. Let's have a look. I'm not received yet. Mm, Not yet received. Let's execute one more time. Now it's there. So let's paste. I got the OTP. Now we are going to verify it. Okay, verify. So here we have the string. Let's try it out. Phone number. Okay, and OTP. I will add the OTP that is correct. Okay. So if I execute this OTP verified, if I, let's suppose I will put 9 3, then what happened? OTP not found. Okay, so this is how you can verify the OTP and send the OTP successfully. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.